Hi, welcome to my channel, Fabulously Frugal and Fancy. I'm Brandy, and in this episode of Fabulous Glam Christmas, I'm going to show you guys how to wrap a gift for your girl. Now, this could be for your girlfriend, your wife, your significant other. If you do not know how to wrap, this is an easy way for you to make that gift beautiful and present it to her and show that you just really took some effort in that. I went to Dollar Tree to get these items, but you can go to Walmart, you can go to the Hallmark store, you can go just about anywhere and get beautiful things to put your presents in that take absolutely no wrapping paper whatsoever, no skills whatsoever, and it's just a little thing that makes it look beautiful, well thought out, and it just shows that you love, care for your person enough not only to buy them a gift, but to give it to them in a way that looks beautiful. And it just shows a little bit of romance and appreciation as well. Just shows that you took a little bit more effort on your gift. All right, so my first option is very simple, and that is a gift box. Now, these gift boxes came from the Dollar Tree. They are glittery. They already have a ribbon. They have a price tag on the bottom. You'll just want to start by pulling that off. If you take it slow, you can take it off completely without any issues whatsoever, but you just have to take it slow. If you need to heat it up just a little bit, get that sticker off the bottom. Kind of like a price tag. You just work it off until it comes off completely. All right, now this is a simple way to get a present to look absolutely beautiful. Now, what you're going to need for this one is a gift box and some matching tissue paper. Okay, so I got the sticker off the bottom. Again, this is just a simple box. It is red on the inside. There's kind of a glittery feel to the top, but it's not glitter that's going to fall off everywhere, which everybody will appreciate it also. Again, has that pretty bow on the top. This one is very similar. It has like a designed glittery effect on it and that same ribbon. So these came from the Dollar Tree. This one is just brown on the inside. So, all right, if you are giving your girl jewelry this year, this container here would be perfect for a small jewelry box. All right, so say you have your small jewelry box and say it's about this size, okay? What you're gonna do is just pick your tissue paper. I got a couple of different options. I got the typical red and green. I got this one that has fa la 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 la, red and green, candy stripes, and then green. And then I got this pretty, I got several of these. If you can tell what that is, it's got little specks of like confetti, different colored glitter. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use for this one. Just the wrapping off. All right, so what you're going to do with your little box here, which is your little jewelry box, you're just going to take it and kind of roll it up in the tissue paper. Place that in your box, down inside, and then take one more piece of tissue paper. If I can find the beginning and the end of these. All right, let's spread that out a little bit. And you're just going to take one single sheet, and you're just going to kind of hold it this way. You're going to find the center, about the center. Pull it up like this, place your tissue paper, and then crunch it down inside. All right? Looks a little messy that way. Then, if you really want to be romantic, and I'm sure your girl would really appreciate it, write her just a little note. Put it right in top. That would be very sweet. Put the lid right on it. Make a little gift tag with your handwritten "To my love" from and then your name. Tape it to the top. Very simple, easy peasy, and your girl will love it. And like I said, if you put a little handwritten note inside, even if it just says I love you, she will cherish that as much as she will the gift. All right, so that's a very simple way to wrap a gift box. You would do the same thing with this one. Wrap up whatever you have. Like I said, this was an easy wrap. All I did was take a piece of the tissue paper. This isn't jewelry, by the way. This is just a pack of little ornaments. And again, just to show you real quick, I just rolled that up, folded it under. Now, if you have a larger box, you would just place that in the middle, and you're going to take your one piece, and you're going to fluff it like I showed you, put it on one side, just like that. Then you're going to take a second piece of tissue paper, single sheet, again, pull it up in the middle, put your gift in the center, and put your wrapping paper around the side. And it's going to look something like that. Then you're going to take one more piece. You just want to fill in as much as possible. Get that one piece. I have two pieces here and I only need one. Find the center, easy peasy. Push it up. Push this right down in there and fluff it around. All right? Then you just want to take your lid and you just want to put it on. You can tape the lid on if you want. It is not necessary. This gift is not just going to fly open. The lids fit pretty well from Dollar Tree and from anywhere else. These gift boxes are gorgeous, and your girl will love to get a present, thoughtful gift from you in a beautiful gift box. All right, and again, I recommend writing a sweet little note, adding it in there, even if it just says, I love you. All right, say you're getting your girl something that does not fit in one of these little boxes. It's perfectly okay. Next option, again, no wrapping paper. You want to buy a very pretty gift bag. Now this gift bag does have glitter. So if you don't like glitter, guys, sorry. All right, all the gift bags have this little plastic tag in them. You want to remove that. You want to be careful and pull it off without ripping the bag. Okay, you don't want to leave that little plastic tag. And you just want to open up your gift bag. And there's a little bottom piece inside of there, a little cardboard piece. You want to flatten that down, helps your bag hold its shape, okay? Now, simple, okay, you want to take whatever your gift is. Again, wrap it up in a piece of paper. Let's say your gift is this size. All right, you just want to take a piece of tissue paper, cover it from the top, wrap it around. You do not tape this to the box or anything. Then you just kind of fold, cover the wrap with the tissue paper, okay? Now then you want to place your gift bag, and it is, again, you can see it coming loose a little bit, that's okay. You want to place your box inside your bag or whatever your present is, okay? You see here we have some extra space on the side, so we want to use some tissue paper. Shove it down on each side. Very easy. But right now this doesn't look like too much, so we want to make it beautiful. I am going to use some red and green Christmas tissue paper. You can use just white. You can use, in some stores, Hallmark stores especially, you can get a set that has a gift bag or a gift box with tissue paper that matches it. You just want it to match. And you can do a pretty bow. I'm going to show you a couple of things, a couple of options here to make this look extra special. Okay? So, I'm going to take some red, and I'm going to take some green. All right. Again, you're going to take your tissue paper, find the center point or about, just shake it up. And you want to tuck that down in, but you want to leave all of this sticking out, okay? Then I'm going to take one sheet of this. You can mix and match. You can do all the same. Again, you just want to tuck it down in and let some of it stick up. It looks very beautiful this way. Very well put together. Okay, so one more piece up here in the top, and you just want to kind of fluff it up, fluff it out. It looks very pretty. It comes with a little gift tag on it, so you want to make sure that the pretty side is showing. Okay, now some other options, you can add little trinkets to this. I have these little ornaments. You can get these. This one didn't come from the Dollar Tree. This one was given to me, so I'm not sure exactly where it came from. But you can get these little packs of ornaments. This one says joy, and if your girl brings you joy, that would be a very sweet way to tell her that, by putting a joy ornament on her gift. You just want to take one ornament and you don't have to do this. This is totally optional. Just an added little thing. And I want to cut the string, because it doesn't need to be a loop, to where I have the two strings. And then I just want to take my ornament and tie it around the string. Just to add a little pop of an extra thing on the outside of the package. Again, everything you do with wrapping is just you saying, I love you. It's just another way to express your love, show that you took a little extra effort, and then you just push that down, and look how cute that looks. Look how pretty. Your girl will love to get a gift that it shows that you just took a little effort, and if she finds out you actually wrapped it yourself, she will be that much more impressed. All right, now you can do the little ornament. You can buy pre-made bows. They're beautiful. Just added little touches and say, I want to go with a beautiful gold. Look how pretty that is. You could just stick it right here to the side. Again, if you want to add a little extra special thing in there, just write her a little note saying, I love you, Merry Christmas, you bring joy to my heart, anything like that, and she is going to love it. So you could stick that bow. They have a sticky back. I would recommend sticking that on and then maybe adding a little extra Scotch tape just to secure it a little bit better. These bows come in many different colors, many different shapes. You can get very large ones. You can get very, smaller ones. Another option is to get something like this. This word just says blessed. You could hang that with a little string right here, instead of the ornament. Any ornament, any kind of little gift thing. You want to add little pops of things. You could add some little ornaments right here to the top, having them stick out if you wanted to add a little extra. Every little extra bit is fine. You can never go overboard with those kinds of things. You can add flowers if you want. I like to add flowers to my gift bags, and every girl loves to get flowers. You just kind of want to make sure that the flower sits above the gift bag and pops out just a little bit. You can do coordinating colors. You just want to make sure your colors match. This is red and green and white, and it's simple. You can do this very easily. Any man can wrap a gift, okay, without using any wrapping paper. You can get these pretty little gift boxes. Again, if you wanted to add a little word to the top, even though this is larger than the box, it's not a problem. You can add that, and it just shows just a little bit more care. If you cannot tape something down, don't be afraid to glue it to the box. That's not a big deal. Usually they'll come off if they want to save them. These gift wrapping ideas are so easy, and it only takes a couple of dollars. It takes a couple of minutes, and it just shows a little bit of extra that you love, that you took the effort to do something special for your ladies. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you Feel a little bit more confident, guys, in wrapping your girl's gift just to do a little something extra special for her. Be nice to the ladies in your lives, guys, and especially at Christmas time, most of the time they go above and beyond to do extra for everybody, and if you just take a little extra time and do something extra for them, it means the world to them. I speak from experience. My boyfriend is extremely sweet and kind to me, and it just means, it warms my heart so much, and I appreciate him, and I appreciate all that he does for me, and he cannot rap. And he actually suggested I do this video to tell guys how to wrap a Christmas present for your girl. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye!